Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. We are making another rice recipe today. Cook your chicken and rice this way, and trust me, it is so yummy you will want to cook it again. To start off, I am using some cooking oil. Please feel free to use any cooking oil you so desire. Coconut, olive oil, vegetable oil, anyone is fine. And so I added some onions, of course. Well, with a savory meal, you need to use onions. After frying for a bit, I added some garlic and ginger paste. I always love using this in my savory dishes. I almost do not miss it because it just balances the taste very well for me. So I'll fry this for like a minute again. Then I will start with my other ingredients. I will start with my yellow, red, green bell peppers. I like this because this is adding like the kind of nutrients I want for my vegetable intake, and as well like giving taste and crunch and everything to this rice dish. So I'm kind of like stir frying this for another 2 to 3 minutes depending on how much crunch I want. Then I'll add some peas. Then I'll go ahead with my tomato paste. So this tomato paste, I'm going to now fry this very well because I will try to remove the sourness so that it doesn't become like you don't want that taste at the end of the dish. You get what I mean? But anyway, I'm still going to cook it all through. So I didn't like fry it. I just fried it for like 5 minutes. Then I went ahead and added my other seasoning, my salt, my seasoning cubes, my paprika powder, cumin, curry, thyme. You can add or you can remove from whatever I have used. So guys, I mixed everything together for another 1 minute. Then I added my chicken pieces. This is chicken breast that was previously grilled, and I just like cut it into smaller pieces because I prefer this for the rice dish. Then I went ahead and I added my washed rice, which I had washed very well. It was not parboiled in any way. I prefer using my rice like this. I hardly parboil my rice. I just make sure that I wash it very well to remove the starch. Then I fried it again because I like when I do this, the rice does not become soggy. I did this judiciously for about 5 minutes, mixing all the ingredients together, stir frying the rice with the vegetables and with the chicken and everything. This way the cooking process is even reduced. You don't need to cook it so like going far again. So after I had achieved what I wanted, I added a little bit of water. Please don't use too much water because your rice is like 30% cooked. Just enough water. You can see that the water level is almost at the same level with the rice. You don't want to make it soggy. So I mixed it again. Then I went ahead and I covered it up for it to steam and to cook properly. So the whole cooking time for my rice was now about 8 to like 15 minutes, depending on how you want your rice to be. By this time you can see how the rice is. From this you can see that it is soft, it is well cooked already. There's no need to like take it further than this. And guys, it was everything I wanted. I just like tossed it back and forth gently. Be gentle so that you do not ruin your rice, so that you do not like make all your hard work go to waste. And guys, I love this. I didn't add any other thing to it, but this rice was juicy. It was everything I wanted, how I always want my rice to be. Minimal ingredients, but you have your, what do we call it? Is it jollof rice? Is it chicken and rice? I just love it, and my kids loved it so much too. With kids, I eat rice every time. This is another great recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't fail to subscribe, and I'll see you in other videos. Bye.